Okay, let's say your O-ring machine is either keeps recycling, you can hear it cycle, 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 it doesn't seem to want to quit, or you press in your mandrel and nothing happens. Chances are your calibration isn't quite correct on your amplifier for your mandrel eyes. So what I've done here is I've taken the cover off already, just the 2 screws, tip the bowl, lift the cover off to the side. I've got the air switch shut off, but I have the electricity on, the power is on. And I'm going to flip down the cover on this amplifier block here, and I'm going to make sure that it's unlocked. I can do that by trying to hit the rocker switch. Now this one here is unlocked, as you can see the numbers moving a little bit. So now I've got a mandrel here, and we're going to spin this machine a little so you can see what's going on. Now with the air shut off, I can move the slide, I can move the eject cylinder here. I want to make sure that this is retracted all the way on the eject cylinder, and I want to make sure this is slid all the way up against the back of the head. Now I'm going to keep pressure on this. Now while I'm keeping pressure on it, I'm going to press the set button once, and it'll say SET in the green. Now I'm still holding pressure on this slide up against the head, and I push the mandrel all the way in until it's seated. I press the set button again. Now our mandrel eye amplifier is correctly calibrated. I'm going to I just pushed the eject cylinder out. So now when I turn the air on, it should be ready to go. If it all looks and works well, we'll go ahead and lock it into place. I'm going to use the mode and the rocker. Press them both for about 3 seconds, and it'll say lock. And then we can return the cover in its original position, and it's all set and ready to roll.